Imagine playing your favorite high-intensity games on a screen so immersive that every detail feels alive, paired with the raw power of one of the most advanced chipsets available today. But how does the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra really perform under pressure? Let's find out. From its stunning 14.6-inch AMOLED display to the beastly Dimensity 9300 processor, this tablet promises a seamless gaming experience. But specs are one thing, actual performance is what matters. So, today, we're putting it to the test with some of the most demanding games available. When it comes to gaming, the display is your first connection to the action. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra boasts a massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. What does that mean? Ultra-smooth gameplay and vivid visuals. Whether you're exploring open-world adventures or battling it out in first-person shooters, every frame feels fluid. The HDR10 support enhances contrast, making darker areas richer and bright areas pop. During our gaming test, we tried Genshin Impact, a visually stunning game. The tablet handled the vibrant environments and fast-paced combat flawlessly. The screen's large size and high resolution of 1848 by 2960 pixels meant we didn't miss a single detail. Gaming is about speed, precision, and responsiveness, and this is where the Dimensity 9300 chipset shines. With its octa-core CPU and Immortalis G720 GPU, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra doesn't just handle games, it dominates them. Titles like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile ran on max settings without a hiccup. The tablet's 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking. Even after hours of gameplay, switching between apps and loading screens was instantaneous. No lag, no stutter, just pure performance. Intense gaming sessions can push any device to its limits, but the Tab S10 Ultra's enhanced cooling system keeps it from overheating. After a 2-hour session playing Fortnite, the device stayed comfortably cool. Now let's talk about the massive 11,200 mAh battery. We tested it with Apex Legends Mobile, and even after 3 hours of non-stop gaming, the battery only dropped by about 20%. Plus, with 45W fast charging, you can quickly get back to gaming when you're low on power. Gaming isn't just about visuals, audio plays a huge role. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra's quad speakers tuned by AKG deliver rich, immersive sound. From the gunfire in Battlefield Mobile to the footsteps in Valorant Mobile, every audio cue was crystal clear. While it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, the Bluetooth 5.3 support works seamlessly with wireless headphones. Lag during online matches can ruin any gaming experience. With Wi-Fi 7 support and 5G connectivity on the cellular model, the Tab S10 Ultra ensures a stable, high-speed connection, even during competitive play. In our test of Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, there were no frame drops or connectivity issues, even on crowded servers. Despite its 14.6-inch display, the tablet feels surprisingly lightweight at 718 grams. The aluminum frame provides durability, while the IP68 rating adds extra confidence against accidental spills. You can take this powerhouse anywhere without worrying about damage. The included stylus isn't just for productivity, it's also a game changer for certain titles. In games like OSU, the stylus provided pinpoint accuracy, adding an extra layer of fun to the experience. With just 2.8 milliseconds of latency, it feels like a natural extension of your hand. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra worth it for gamers? Absolutely. From its breathtaking display and powerful performance to its impressive battery life and immersive audio, this tablet is built to elevate your gaming experience. But don't just take our word for it, try it yourself. If you've already tested it or have questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this test helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and gaming tests.